sure it's the best day to do what I'm going to do, but I've got time on my hands, and I might as well do what I want to do. One of the great things about being retired. Talk about having an appreciation for things in your own backyard. Something great about Bethlehem, just recently actually, is the redevelopment of the Bethlehem steel plant. Now the plant has been here for well over 100 years. They started making iron in South Bethlehem in the Civil War era. Part of those buildings are still existing. And then in the next 100 years, this turned into one of the great industrial concerns in the world. But it's all gone now. It's closed for actually 20 years now. The great thing about this display is it provides a self-guided tour of the heart of a integrated steel plant. You're not going to see this too many places, anywhere, not only in the country, but in the world. So even if you're a person who knows nothing about steel making, spend about 40 minutes up here on the Hoover-Mason Trestle, and you will learn a lot about the people, the company, and the product, and maybe more importantly, the legacy of Bethlehem Steel.